Hi Weber fans, so today we're going to be cooking cedar plank salmon on the barbecue. So what we'll do is dive straight into it. Now don't forget, everything you use in the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Right, in today's video we're going to be cooking some cedar plank salmon. Now if you had salmon before, I've got a couple of recipes on here, but the best way I find to cook salmon is on a cedar plank. Now you can do this on the Weber kettle, you can do it on the Genesis, and today we're going to be doing it on the barbecue. Right, so it's going to be a pretty simple recipe today because we're purely using the cedar planks, and that flavour from that cedar is going to infuse into that salmon. I will put links in the description of the best place to get these. You don't have to use the Weber ones. There will be links to an alternative and a cheaper option. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Now with your cedar plank, you're going to want to soak it for at least an hour or overnight. I've got this in the sink now and I'm just going to put some bottles on it just to keep it under the water. You want to preheat your Weber for around 10 minutes to get it nice and hot, and then you're going to lower it down to a medium heat and put that cedar plank on. Our cedar plank's on the Weber now. We've got around 5 to 7 minutes, maybe a little bit longer, so it's time to prepare our salmon. Now we've got 2 pieces of salmon here today, so we're just going to flip those over. And we're just going to season those with a drizzle of olive oil, some freshly ground salt, some freshly ground pepper, and a little hint of garlic powder. Cedar plank's been in while we've been preparing that salmon for around 10 minutes, so it's time to check it out and see if it's started to crackle. And now they're prepared, we're going to get them on the queue. You're going to hear it start to crackle as you do now. Once it starts to crackle, lift it up and just check that it's charred on the other side. If it's started to char, it's ready to cook on. We're going to place our salmon on and we're going to cook that for around 15 to 20 minutes. If you want it with crispy skin, put it with the skin facing up first and then flip it at around 7 to 10 minutes. Find it easier if you don't want the skin on it. If you cook it with the skin side down, it's a lot easier to get that spatula under it to release it between the skin and the flesh of the salmon, and it releases really easy. And if you're looking for a side dish to go with this recipe, I'll put an iCard above linking to that, so make sure you check that playlist out at the end of this video. Right, so our salmon's come off and it smells amazing, so we're going to get plated up and then we'll dive in and give it a taste test. Now if you want crispy skin with your salmon, then the idea is to put flesh side down first, and then halfway through the cook, flip it and you'll get that nice crispy skin. Now don't forget, everything you use in the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products, so make sure you check those out at the end of this video. So as you can see, that salmon turned out superb. The smokiness from that cedar plank enhances the flavour of that salmon really, really well, and then you've got the hint of garlic and the salt and the pepper that just tip it off to a T. Do this on the Weber kettle, you can do it on the Weber Genesis, and you can even do it on the barbecue as I've done today. All you need is a high heat first to get that grill nice and hot, then lower it down to a medium heat and put those planks on until they start to crackle and char. For those who are new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if I like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut to any bloopers and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm just going to season those with a drizzle of olive oil.